Hey guys, this is Irish Ann. And as you can see, I'm wearing my school uniform. Dahil akala ko, ay may pasok ngayon, shala! Pero in-update naman na kami ng Friday pa. Nakalimutan ko lang na wala nga palang pasok ngayon. So, ang aga-aga ko pa naman naligo. Si ate. So, ngayon ay tuturuan ko na lang kayo ng parts of the face. Okay, face, mukha, na, eyes, mata, ta, eyebrow, kilay, Q, nose, ilong, jamuk, mouth, bibig, pak, teeth, ngipin, fan, tang, dila, lin, chin, baba, kang, cheek, pisngi, gem, ears, tenga, hook, hair, buhok, palm. So, I hope you learned something from me kahit walang pasok ngayon. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And also, if you wanna learn something from me or if you wanna learn some words in Thai, just comment down below. And also, please don't forget to follow my page. Bye-bye! Kapo na ka!